Hello guys, welcome to the Shankari. After I made a video concerning Bash abroad, so a lot of people wanted to know exactly what happened between us. Hence the reason I am making this video now. And this is going to be the last video I will make concerning Bash, except situation warrant me to do that. And if by any chance he repaid my money, I will still come back here and make video for it that he has paid me. All right. So now I want to explain what actually happened. I was the one that contacted Batch. Okay. I contacted him because he is living in an eligible country. Okay. So I said, okay, help me to monetize my page since you are living in eligible country. So he said I will pay him 150,000. I said no, I will give you 140 because I believe he's going to do some job for me. So I said okay, I'll give you 140,000, which I paid him. I have the evidence as you can see here. So I paid him that 140,000. So immediately I paid him. He did not really reply me immediately. So I started chatting him, and he gave me an excuse that he was somehow busy because he was preparing for his wedding. I said, no problem. Being someone who has also passed through that process before, so I understood what he was going through that period. I said, no problem, take your time. So after the wedding, I also sent him a message that you are done with your wedding now. Let's go back to business. He said, okay. And then we started. So I started sending my videos to him to post because I cannot post from where I am. So we did that for a couple of days. Sometimes if I even send a video, I will have to remind before he could post that video. So I now say, okay, please let me know how far you have gone concerning what I paid you for. That's the monetization. So how far you have gone, because I believe we are doing a business. Money is involved. I paid already. So if I paid you, you are supposed to at least give me feedback. Okay, you need to give me feedback, how you have gone, what is going on, what you have done. So where are we heading to? You need to let me know because I've paid you money, so I deserve that feedback. So I sent him a message. He didn't reply. I sent him another message. He didn't reply. I sent him that same message a couple of times. He didn't reply. I sent a voice note to him. He did not reply me. So he started behaving somehow. Even the video I later sent to him, he refused posting those videos. I said, why is this man behaving like this? This thing is business we are doing. It's not like you are helping me. You are not helping me. Okay? You are not helping me. So it's business. So to him, it seems he has a mindset of like maybe he was helping me. No, we were doing business. It's business because I paid you. I paid you, and I will still keep on paying you as the money comes through the page. I'll still keep on because you have your own percentage. So it's purely business. So there's nothing like maybe you are helping me. You are not helping me. And I made him to know. I sent him a voice message that, look, the way you are going, it look as if you believe you are helping me. I want to let you know that you are not helping me. We are doing business. So that was it. He refused. He did not reply me. He did not post those videos. I said, okay, since you are not willing, it means you cannot do business. And I personally, I will not be able to do business with somebody like that will want to keep a business partner in the dark. It is not good in business. So I said, okay, if it is the money, no problem. I can actually allow that money go. It's part of life. It's part of what you can say, okay, you lost in business. So it's not something you want to maybe do anything for. No, nothing. Just you can let it go. Okay, but it's ironical to see that me that help people with what I have, with the knowledge I have. I help people freely, do free video for people, and I can also find myself in this situation. It is very, very bad. Very, very bad. It's not that I cannot make money with what I'm doing, or I cannot swindle people from what I'm doing. No, I don't want to do that because I am contented with what God has given me by time. That is it. So it's somehow painful, but no problem. I will let everything go. I've already moved on. I've moved on. No problem. So life goes on. So it's part of life. So that is it. No problem. So I just wanted to give this explanation so that people will not just think maybe I am just trying to make video and that. I know a lot of his followers will come and say it's not bash. Some people are using his profile or his picture to scam people. No, this one is bash because before I started with him, I insisted on making video call with him because I told him, look, I don't want to be, maybe later you will tell me people use your picture or that kind of a thing, that I'm somehow scared. I want to make a video call with you, which he agreed. And we made a video call normal. We were talking normal. And later on he changed. So there's no problem about that. If at all you don't really know what you want to do, it's not something you just, keep quiet, keep your business partner in the dark. No, you need to explain. Look, there's no shame in it. I don't know this area, or I cannot go beyond this. You let the person know that is life. This life is too short for us to be doing all these things we are doing. Okay, so that's it, guys. No problem. Like I said, I have moved on. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Like I promised, I will teach you people what I know about all these things. I will give it out for free. Thank you very much. See you all.